Hello everyone, my name is Steve Chupe-Homsi and today I will walk you through my analysis of the 2020 US presidential election using an interactive Tableau dashboard. This dashboard provides insights into population distribution, regional voting outcome, and the number of counties per state. Let's get started. The 2020 United States presidential election was pivotal, reflecting voting trends across different regions and states. This dashboard helped us explore key election population data. This dashboard includes three visualizations: a bar chart of election outcome by region, a tree map of population distribution by state, the second picture, and a geographic map showing the number of counties per state. About the election outcome by region, this bar chart displays the 2020 presidential election result by region with Democratic votes in blue and Republican ballots in red. The South had the largest total population and a significant Republican majority, whereas the Northeast had a strong Democratic presence. These three maps that we highlight represent the state population in 2022 with a larger box indicating higher population size. So as you can see, the California, Texas, and Florida have the highest population. So they play a crucial role in national election. Regarding the number of counties per state, this map illustrates the number of counties per state using a gradient scale, with darker shade of green representing states with more counties. Texas has the highest number of counties, while Texas like Delaware or Rhode Island in the screen have very few. In conclusion, here's the three takeaway that we can see on the screen. The key insights for this dashboard include regional voting patterns, the impact of state population on election, and the role of county in shaping election logistics. This analysis provides a deeper understanding of how geographic and population influence election outcome. Thank you for your time and attention. This presentation provided valuable insights into the 2020 presidential election. Thank you.